If you are looking for the best portable electric space heater in this year, you must check out this list. We selected these products based on their quality, durability, features, prices, manufacturer reputations, and user feedback. Check the description box below for the latest price.
Pollutants can build up indoors: gases, odors, and particles. So Dyson's purifying fan heaters use sensors to detect them, capturing them inside sealed HEPA and carbon filters to clean the air. Then project 77 gallons per second to cool you or heat your whole room with purified air.
The bladeless ceramic heater with remote control from Lasko features exclusive heat channels for long-range heat projection. This powerful space heater packs a punch with penetrating air velocity and optional widespread oscillation that pushes 1,500 watts of warmth throughout almost any chilly room in your home. It's easy to use and maintain with easy touch digital control for 2 heat settings plus auto thermostat control, an 8-hour timer, and a convenient filter compartment for simple cleaning. Built-in safety features include overheat protection, a cool touch exterior, a self-regulating ceramic element, and automatic overheat protection. Plus, it comes with a remote so you can regulate your warmth level and the other heater functions from anywhere in the room. Be comfortable on chilly days with the bladeless ceramic heater with remote control from Lasko.
Nothing is more important than your family's safety. That is why we built this heater that not only meet the industry standard safety requirements, but exceed them. Let's take a look at the safety features to give you peace of mind. Honeywell Heaters always includes a device that turns the heater off, if needed, to prevent overheating. An easy-to-see power light so you know when your heater is turned on. Made with high-quality, heat-tolerant or resistant plastics. And a UL-rated power cord to safely power your heater. But with a Honeywell heater, you get even more safety features, like a second overheat protection device. Tip-over switches disable the heater if it's been tipped in any direction. You also get cool touch housing and handle. Your Honeywell heater is built to be safer from the inside out. The heating element and the wiring all have added protection for peace of mind. We even secure the plug connection to give you greater safety from the moment you plug your heater in. With our Safety Matters program, you can rest assured that your Honeywell heater has the most innovative, tried and tested safety features, inside and out. Live comfortably with Honeywell heaters. Find your heater today at honeywellpluggedin.com.